And we're now getting some breaking news from the state of Tamil Nadu, where there's a mega TVK protest in Chennai. The TVK is protesting, seeking justice against the custodial violence. Remember, TVK chief visited Ajit's family, the grieving family of Ajit, and assured assistance and support. And now the TVK is protesting and seeking justice against custodial violence. My colleague Pramod is now joining us with more details on this. Pramod, what are the demands that are being raised by the TVK?
Absolutely, it's a massive kind of rally that you see over here behind us. That is the actual TVK Tamizhaka Vetri Kazhagam cadres who are waiting at the spot right now, and they are here. You could see also, it's been like kind of a difficult situation, but people are here since 9 a.m. in the morning for their leader Vijay to come and participate. Unfortunately, the incident is people are waiting for a long time, because of which some of them are struggling and they need kind of a medical support and such. But there are ambulance and everything that is over here as well. But the demands are very simple. From for the past 4 years, there have been 24 custodial deaths that have occurred in the state of Tamil Nadu, and Vijay is demanding kind of justice for them. Vijay has also met 18 of the families yesterday, and what they have done is that he has also assured that TVK will go ahead with a legal battle. And you could also see the cadres over here. Why are you protesting at this spot right now?
Ajit Kumar justice ka hai.
They say that they are protesting here for justice for Ajit Kumar family. This is one of TVK's actual cadres, and she also is wearing, you see those kind of tattoos over here. So this much they are crazy about Vijay. And here also it also says Taleva, which means leader. It is one of the movies tattoo, and this is a major protest at this spot. But the concept here is very simple. Over there, if you could see on the stage, all those who have died in custodial death, their images are also been shown. And here Vijay is going to hold a speech where he says he is demanding justice for those who died on custodial death. That's also the hashtag claims TN demands justice, and that's why a major protest has been organized over here.
Pramod, thank you for getting us those details. In fact, we'll keep coming back to you for more updates on the TVK stir in Chennai.